How is just me, Robin, and today I am participating in the It's a Summer Affair Challenge being hosted by Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It and Tay of Uniquely Tay. This is Tay's first time hosting a challenge, so congratulations, Tay. And in this challenge, we were to decorate an area of our home for the summer and describe it in our video. Now, I am going to link both of their channels in the description box along with the playlist. Please go by and check out all of their channels as well as all of those on the playlist so that you can get ideas for decorating your home for the summer. My stylings are coastal, Florida coastal with a boho chic influence. Our coastal boho chic. I kind of incorporated Florida coastal along with my boho chic style. I have a little bit of this and a little bit of that. That's how I like to decorate. And I hope you guys enjoy it. We very rarely use our fireplace, so I decorated the interior of it with ceramic seahorses and fish and frogs. And then I put some ferns and some candles inside also. So this is my living room that I cleaned up and finished in a coastal theme. Now it's actually light outside, but it's raining. You see the television satellite is just not working right now. My coastal theme. Dog has the best seat in the house, at least he thinks he does. I want to thank Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It and Tay of Uniquely Tay for inviting us to join them in this It's a Summer Affair Challenge. Please go by and check out their channels along with the playlist and like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel as well as hit that notification bell so you can be alerted to when I upload new videos. So you guys take care, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.